Okay, this is Whitney. And Elizabeth again. We ought to have our own like little web page, Elizabeth.
Whitney Liz's page.
I was going to do the importance of brushing your teeth, but I don't have any toothpaste.
I have some.
Elizabeth has some toothpaste. She's a breath saver. Ha! Anyways, while we wait on getting some toothpaste, it is very important to brush in your teeth. Because, for one thing,
It has cavity protection.
it's cavity protection. Come over here and show our viewers, Elizabeth. Cavity protection.
Fluoride anti-cavity toothpaste.
Nice. What are some benefits of brushing your teeth?
Good breath.
Good breath and
Clean teeth.
clean teeth. Point blank.
For a minty clean feeling.
Especially like if you meet someone new, you don't want them to have stank breath. I mean, no. That wasn't towards anyone there, so we'll leave that at that. So, steps to brushing your teeth. What you do is, I always like to wet the toothbrush. So we're going to come here and wet it. You probably can't see me wetting it, but I am. I like cold water, but it's your preference. Okay, now, let's sling that off. Now we're going to get the toothpaste, like so, and squeeze it out. Like so. Okay. Now you have toothpaste. And you can use whatever you want, Crest, Kids, anything you want, your preference. Now, put the top back on, because we don't want any leaking out. Okay, so the top is sealed on neatly there. We're going to set that on the counter, like so. Now you got a pretty good, we're turning off the water, because you want to save as much water as you can. So, now that we have some toothpaste, on the toothbrush, pretty good, nice little blob there. See it? Okay. Now, you're going to get ready. You're going to look in the mirror. Okay? See yourself. You can even look at yourself if you want to. But you want to get it good. You want to start on the bottom. Okay? This toothpaste is good. It brings back childhood memories. Anyway, so you got the right side. There. Inside, outside. Now you're going to go left side. Inside, outside. Now, top. Inside, outside. Tickle a little bit. Then you go over to the left. All right, that's right. Go to the right. Get the itch right. Okay, inside, outside. Now, you're going to go. Elizabeth is making me laugh. Now, you want to go up, down, up, down. You want to go around. Get all the way good until you start sudsing. Oh, you got a little bit on my chin. It's okay. It's normal. Oh, thank you, Elizabeth. Okay, now. You see it start sudsing. You know it's working if it's sudsing, okay? Okay, so we're good. Now, here's the fun part. Ready? I'm going to get a good old wobble spit. Turn your water back on. Okay? Now. Rev up. That was some blood, I think. And then wet it. And a couple more water. You want to wet it real good. If you have to spit a few more times, that's okay. It's like 4 minutes long. Then, alright, go ahead and rinse it back out with cold water. Where you get all the other stuff. Spit that excess in there. I do it some more. This is where you get all the toothpaste out. Because it's not good if you have a bunch of toothpaste paste up in your teeth. And that. And then you look at yourself in the mirror. Looks like you've got everything. So those are the steps to brushing your teeth and having very good dental hygiene where you won't have cavities. Like, there are a few cavities. I got a few fillings in there and stuff. Other than that you're good. But other than that, I had a few cavities. Anyway, that's besides the point. Brush your teeth where you won't get cavities. But other than that, I've said other than that like 50 times. But other than that, it's me and Elizabeth, and we're out. Brush your teeth.
How do I stop it? Push that again.
Oh, sorry. Bye.